How to watch Hulu with NordVPN. If you haven't already, sign up for a NordVPN subscription with the link in the description. Visit the NordVPN website or app store on your device and download the NordVPN app. Open the NordVPN app and log in using your credentials. Choose a server location optimized for streaming Hulu. NordVPN offers servers specifically optimized for streaming services. Once connected to the NordVPN server, open the Hulu app or visit the Hulu website on your device. Browse Hulu's library and start streaming your favorite shows and movies. With NordVPN, you can bypass geo-blocks and access Hulu's content library from anywhere in the world. If you encounter any issues accessing Hulu content, try connecting to a different NordVPN server in a different location. By following these steps, you can easily watch Hulu with NordVPN and enjoy a wide range of content on the streaming platform. Unlock the full potential of Hulu with NordVPN. Enjoy seamless streaming of your favorite shows and movies, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.